Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 21 of Building Batmobile, the Batman Tumbler from the Dark Knight trilogy, The Wings of Justice. Bat planes, the bat copters, bat drones, or it's just called the Bat, wasn't it? The Bat in action, pre-production rendering. Very cool. Yeah, I always like a flying vehicle. It's quite coll. Don't know that it would make a part work, but it's all right. The Riddler returns in the Batman comics. They beat him up a lot and spin him around. All good stuff. Another artist featured there as well. And another page from Batman's history. Cool. Right, what we are doing now, I thought it was the seat bits, but it's only one seat bit. So it's a seat bit and a frame bit, some sticky pads and some screws. So, easy stuff. We're just going to put some sticky pads on there, stick them together, and then screw them together onto the base bit that we've already got. And then the seat will be half finished. Next time, we've got the back bit to put in as well. And then I have cheated. I've looked ahead. As well as putting the back bit on, we are actually fitting this. It doesn't have a thing. It goes directly onto the floor. So it's obviously sitting with his legs out in front of him rather than sitting in a normal chair. So, but that's next time. This time, we're just building the base piece of the seat bit, not the back bit. So let's get that built now. So from last time we have all of this, which is all fine. So this is the seat bit that we're building now. We have a rubbery cover, which is quite nice. The solid base piece, obviously, which is going on the base. But we need to attach that to that. And apparently we're doing that with sticky pads. So we've got two different sizes of sticky pad. One small one we are putting in there. And the larger one goes in there. Just like that. And then, obviously, we need to peel off the other side of the stickiness. Like so. And then very carefully, this fits into there. You get lined up before you push anything down. Gone in there at the back and in there at the front. Sticks out a bit at the front, but that's probably that's going to go underneath at the back, isn't it? So push that home. That's not going anywhere now. Then we need just the two CP screws. Using a lot of CP screws at the moment in this part of the build. I like it when there's only one type of screw to worry about because it saves me getting confused. So I shall put those over there. One screw ready to go. So this is going onto there. All fits in through there. We've got 4 posts, but it's only held in place with 2 screws. Right, we've got these 2 posts are going to go into those 2 holes, and then the others line up obviously with the other bits. So get that lined up there. Not moving around, so I'm sure that's in the right place. We'll find out by putting a screw through there and see if it actually goes into the screw hole. It does. So that's definitely okay. Let's get the other one in to make sure. Goes just down the front there. So, there we have the seat of the Batman. The Bat seat, as they would call it, because they have to call everything the Bat something, don't they? So this is the Bat seat. Ready for the Bat bottom. So that is that. Another issue done. A very quick one, this one. Next time is a little bit more involved. We're basically, I think, going to be doing the same again on the back bit. But then we do fit this to the floor that we've got already. So I shall clear the rubbish out of the way. I shall see you soon for that and other part works in between. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Yeah.